for today. Dragon fruit again. One more, nice. Another one, Mesa Manun. I'm not sure if this is white or red. Anyways, whatever. Main thing is sweet. This one for sure it's red. 4 tangerines. I will be juicing these 4 tangerines later. Hi everyone! So I am preparing, ready na ulit magluto for dinner. Let's start. For today's dinner guys, magluto tayo ng pork chops with mushroom gravy. Meron ako ditong thin sliced pork chops. Ito ay 8 pieces. So good for 2 dinners na naman. Una, lalagyan ko siya ng garlic salt. Rub natin. Tapos, ground pepper at coriander. Ito yung masarap kaya lagyan ng madami. So, rub like this and do the other side. Garlic salt, ground pepper at coriander. Rub like this. Ayan. Tapos, ikakat natin dito para pag nag-fry tayo mamaya, hindi siya mag-curl up. Eto siya. Ayan, matatapos na. So, next is frying. Magpiprito pa tayo ng pork chops. Stop. Busy ka di kalman. So mag-start na tayo. Let's start frying the pork chops. Little bit of oil. Then I will also put unsalted butter. One more. Let's just wait until the butter are melted. So I will just fry the onion a little bit and then set aside. Why I do this? So that the butter and the oil will have the taste of the onion. Para masarap yung ating pork chops. Ayan, pwede na siyang iset aside. So, my recipe for today guys is pork chops with mushroom gravy. And then I will put potato, carrot, mushroom, and then corn kernel. I usually cook good for 2 dinners. Para hindi ako everyday nagluluto. Yan. So, set aside muna. I have 3 pieces already in here. Then, I'm done with another 3. So, 2 more. Smells good. So I have the last 2. Diba, ang hirap-hirap mag-isip kung ano ang lulutuin every day. Something na hindi ka nagsasawa. So, I keep on thinking what to cook after 2 days, like that. Yan ang buhay ng housewife. What's that? Buti na lang guys, for lunch, it's hubby's trying to think what to eat. So for me, I'm in charge with breakfast and dinner. For breakfast, if we get tired of bread, I cook pandesal, pan de coco, those Filipino bakery breads and pastries. So, after frying the pork chop, ilalagay ko siya sa glass bowl and I will put the mushroom gravy and then cook in the oven. So, it will take around at least 1 hour until soft yung pork chops. Pag soft na yung pork chops, ayun, lalagay ko na kasi I fry the potato and the carrot. After frying, madali na lang kasi lalagay na lang sa oven and then check once in a while. Okay, so I will be finishing this soon. So I will see you again later, guys. Kahit ganito lang, okay nang ulamin. This is the cream of mushroom. Wow, it's very thick there. Then I will add water and I will put pork cube. So carefully mix. Haluin po natin. Ayan, okay na siya. It looks smooth already. No more lumps. So we are ready for the next step. Ito yung glass bowl. Remember the onion that I fried earlier? Ito na siya. Lagay natin. And then, the pork chops. Wow, ang bango niya. Smells so good. Kaya nga sabi ko kanina, kahit ganito na lang siya, pwede ng ulam. The last piece. Ayan. Ngayon, pour the cream of mushroom. Ooh, look at that. Oh, so yummy. So while waiting for the pork chops, I will prepare the mashed potato. I peel the potato, cut, and then boil. Mash po natin. Then I will add the evaporated milk and butter that is microwaved. So medyo konti lang mainit siya. Ayan, ihahalo natin. Tapos, maglalagay ako ng konting salt or asin. Maglalagay din ako ng ground pepper. will just mix this. Very easy. So this is my version of mashed potato. So I wanna try. So good. Okay, so I will set aside this one and we will eat together with the pork chops later. Oh, it's boiling in the oven. So let me check, guys, if the pork chops already tender. Then I will add the corn kernel and the mushroom. Amoy na amoy. Smells good. I like taste. Para malaman kung okay nang ilagay yung mga vegetables. Ooh, this one. So now I will put some corn kernel, my favorite. Ayan. Maglalagay din ako ng mushroom. Ito siya. So maglagay tayo ng mushroom. So I will put this back for maybe around 2 minutes. And then I will add the carrot and the potato. See you later. So this is my version of pork chops with cream of mushroom, carrot, potato, corn kernel, and mushroom. Look at the gravy. Plus, oops, I need to get my mashed potato. Ayan. Okay, so let's eat. Let's drink also. Good.